The Arizona Supreme Court heard arguments today on whether a state law banning face mask mandates in schools violates the state constitution.
It only took a couple of hours for the justices to issue this ruling. Fox 10's Nicole Garcia has the story.
That Arizona law banning mask mandates in school was passed along with the state budget back in June. Last month, though, a Maricopa County judge ruled that the law was unconstitutional. Now the state appealed to the Arizona Supreme Court and lost.
I think it's fair to say there's some consensus about whether these statutory provisions violate the single subject rule and the title requirements of the Arizona Constitution. I think the consensus is that they do.
From the beginning, Arizona Supreme Court justices knew where they stood. The law is unconstitutional, and attorneys for the state could not change their minds. The law banning mask mandates in schools was passed in a package called Budget Reconciliation Bills. Attorneys for the Arizona School Boards Association say that is misleading the public, and it's illegal to sneak a school mandate law into a budget bill.
If you're looking for a mask mandate, or you wouldn't expect to find that there.
I completely disagree.
Legislators might, people that follow the budget might, but would the public know this
Yes,
by reading this?
Absolutely. How? It's not any member of the public. It's a member of the public who is.
That's not what we said in one.
But you did say that in Luke.
So in the future, what the Supreme Court said is they have to consider these issues one issue at a time and really give the public notice and the opportunity to weigh in on these issues. And so for public input and transparency going forward, this is a real victory.
Many school districts, like Phoenix Union High School District, are applauding the Supreme Court ruling. Phoenix Union officials released a statement saying, in part, Arizona's classrooms are now safer places for students and educators. School systems with mask requirements are 3.5 times less likely to have a COVID-19 outbreak. And Arizona's Attorney General Mark Brnovich released this statement this afternoon. We are disappointed in today's decision. This will create more confusion and uncertainty for Arizona families. And Governor Ducey's office also releasing a statement saying, in part, we are extremely disappointed in the ruling as it relates to the provisions protecting Arizonans from burdensome mandates. We believe every Arizonan should have the ability to make their own health decisions with the guidance of their doctor, not because of some government mandate. Reporting live, I'm Nicole Garcia, Fox 10 News.